Kum shibenta ban bot Dien ye Jingshahktah now slap bat Lyer haki kindiat sngi baladam ki Myntri na Sorkar MDA2 bakentop yo ba Kermench law bari kmi ye katanat revenue and disaster management barupa AL hek bari pet ye katanat animal husbandry and veterinary hak arpotrek jelio arjar psaw kila penlong ye Jingshahktah ha Jowai bat ki bor penyat district na Artligi district ke Jingshahktah Hills. Hakajilang Lyer don lang daki Deputy Commissioner na Pro Artligi District bekentop yo ba BS Lyer na West Jingshahktah Hills District bat u Abilash Baranwal na ka East Jingshahktah Hills District na lor ki officer. Uba AL hek habakran ulaong bakathong baki wan kadai namar baki kwa ban yo I jingtip hadu katnu ka Jingshahktah na kani jingwan len shop ki bor mariang bat ban penti kanaru shabaro ki Jingshahktah bakin yo ekilat jingerap.
With the damage faced by the people in all the areas of the district. So hope also today we have come all the way from Shillong with the instructions and the directions given by the Honorable Chief Minister, and also the Cabinet has decided yesterday only to send to all the ministers to different districts of the states to assess the damage, whatever the property damage, the road damage, whatever the damage has been done during this monsoon, to do the inventory and also to get the immediate relief within 48 hours. They are told not to wait for any funding from any other sources. Whatever funding that you are having in your place, you have to be delivered immediately to ensure that they are reached out to the people. So that is the only thing. But we like to thank you to all of you also, particularly to our DCs. They have already taken immediate action. They have sent the rapid response team to go immediately to the site and also to assess. They have done also, I hope, the inventory about the damage that has been done during this monsoon.
Uba Kermench law ula banjur halor ka jingdan kam ya kitanat badai pej makin pendap kloy ya ka kam klem da ap ya ki brio jong katanat disaster management khnang bakan kloy ka kam bat ru ban penpoi kloy ya ki lat jingrap shakilanot.
As a teamwork, we have seen that you really tackle the situation which we have faced. This is not anything for us. We have seen from time to time, almost every year we have witnessed that this kind of situation we have to face. But this year, so nice to hear that no loss of life in West Jingshahktah Hills, but yes, we lost one life in East Jingshahktah Hills. It's so sad for the family, but we believe that our contribution especially is not about monetary, but it's about the work, the support, the kind of support which we have been given from both the district to the people. I believe this will at least shows the presence of the government, the department and all of us that we are serious with these issues. So I have nothing much to say today. We just want to hear from the district, and what you have done is really recommendable. And just one thing I would like to share, because this kind of confusion, it happened with many I have seen, especially with the honorable MLAs of different constituencies. Most of them they used to call, there are times that MLAs he called me, there's a bridge struck by a thunder. So this thunder strike and that bridge has damage. So he called me and he said, what is the help, how do we go ahead? So I would like to request our officers, since we have all the officers from different departments. So if it happens to be at your department, please kindly take a serious note on this and then try to show them what to do, what is the next steps. Because there are times that it got confused that maybe the disaster management has to pay and then do repairing for this bridge, or maybe the PWD, or maybe the Mandrika. So many confusion. Sometimes though I am as a minister here, I will reveal this in front of you that sometimes we got confused with all of this. So we would like to request, so let's work together, and I see that all of you are very serious to tackle the issues. But I believe this kind of confusion, if we support each other, no doubt, even the honorable MLAs and especially the public, they will get the benefits in a short periods of time, as much as we can deliver our services to them. So it's so nice to hear that, especially yesterday, all the deputy commissioner of different districts, they have been there and they have heard the discussion yesterday with the honorable chief minister, as per directed, that the fund allotted to all the deputy commissioner, that is in your hand to disburse it as early as possible. If possible, within 48 hours, it should be reached to the beneficiaries, so that they will have, they can at least get something for what has been damaged to them, and then do the needful to support their family. So I have seen that almost I can say all the district has been following this, and we would like to request you from even now also, from now on, you can go ahead with this, disburse of the fund, because that fund is not mandatory that you have to wait, and it's a fund where if this money, 50 lakh, is not enough, it can be extended as early as possible, and you just need to send a proposal.
जो और देव ने अपने एरिया के फूड सेफ्टी ऑफिसर से मिलकर इस बारे में बात की।
सर देखिए, इस फोर्टिफाइड चावल में कुछ दाने अलग दिख रहे हैं।
घबराइए नहीं, FSSAI के निर्देश के अनुसार चावल में सूक्ष्म पोषक तत्वों को सही मात्रा में मिलाया जा रहा है। इन्हें कहते हैं फोर्टिफाइड चावल। फोर्टिफाइड चावल के दाने चावल का पाउडर और सूक्ष्म पोषक तत्व जैसे विटामिन B12, फॉलिक एसिड और आयरन को सही मात्रा में मिलाकर बनाए जाते हैं। फिर इन्हें आम चावल के साथ 1 दाना प्रति 100 दाने के अनुपात में मिलाया जाता है।
अच्छा, पर ये बॉल जैसा क्यों हो जाता है?
पके हुए चावल में 80% स्टार्च होता है और कार्बोहाइड्रेट की अधिक मात्रा होने के कारण चावल चिपकता है और इसमें लचीलापन आता है। और हाँ, किसी भी तरह के चावल को चिपकाकर इस तरह की बॉल बन सकती है।
ये तो आपने बिल्कुल सही बात बताई सर, लेकिन क्या फोर्टिफाइड चावल के रख रखाव और पकाने के तरीके में कोई फर्क होता है?
जी नहीं, फोर्टिफाइड चावल के रख रखाव, स्वाद और पकाने की विधि आम चावल जैसी ही होती है। हमें फोर्टिफाइड चावल को अपने रोजाना के खाने में प्रयोग करना चाहिए ताकि हमें और हमारे परिवार को सही पोषण मिल सके। इसके साथ साथ सभी चावल उत्पादकों को भी फोर्टिफाइड चावल उपलब्ध करवाने चाहिए ताकि हम सब इससे स्वास्थ्य लाभ ले सकें।
आपने तो हमारी आंखें ही खोल दी। अब हम अपने और अपने परिवार के लिए फोर्टिफाइड चावल ही लाएंगे।
फूड सेफ्टी एंड स्टैंडर्ड्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया द्वारा जनहित में जारी।